let's go to the fireworks and see what's going on. There we go. I should try and get closer, I think. Yay! Happy Canada Day! Woo! Here we go. Out the window, that's cool. Oh yeah. This is it. Oh, okay, what's up guys? I am back. I did what I said I was going to do. I went up for my bike ride. I tried to find the perfect spot to see the fireworks at the Forks in Winnipeg. That's where the Forks usually start off Canada Day, the main event. So I thought I was going to go to this one spot. It wasn't a good spot. I then found this other one, but then I kind of figured out where this bridge was, so I went to this bridge and I got a clear perspective. There's some buildings in the way, but I saw pretty much, but it wasn't too bad, you know. I saw a pretty decent amount of stuff, so it was pretty cool. It lasted about 15-20 minutes, and you know, if you want to check out the full video of the fireworks, I'll put it on my Real Life channel, so that way you can check out the whole thing. Some people might not be interested in that, some people might, so for the people who might be interested, you can go to that channel, check out that video on the full fireworks extravaganza Canada Day. Almost winded myself, smacking myself in the gut there. So anyways, happy Canada Day. So excited today. A good day. Good day. Sporting the red. So happy Canada Day everybody, and I can't wait to meet all my fellow Canadians at TFCon. To everybody else, and of course, my fellow Canadians, see you later. Everybody else in the world, see you later, because it's probably like July 2nd or 3rd by now. So anyways, I'm going to cut it now. Take care, and I'll catch you guys later. Oh, Canada. Take off, eh? Woo, hosers. Woo, eh.